Ever wondered what's the difference between matte and satin lipstick? Well, let's break it down. You see, the world of lipsticks is vast and colorful, and among the countless varieties, two types stand out: matte and satin. Matte lipstick, as the name suggests, has a flat, non-reflective finish. Its texture is slightly dry, but don't let that fool you. This dryness is what gives matte lipstick its superpower: incredible longevity. You can trust it to stay put through meals, meetings, and more. On the flip side, we have satin lipstick. Unlike its matte counterpart, satin lipstick boasts a soft sheen that's pleasing to the eye. It has a smooth texture and a moisturizing effect, making it a joy to wear. But be warned, its beauty comes at a price. Satin lipstick may not last as long. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into more details. So, what makes matte lipstick a popular choice? Well, let's dive into the specifics, shall we? Matte lipstick has an edge that many beauty enthusiasts swear by. Its defining feature? It's long-lasting. Yes, indeed. This means with a matte lipstick you can sip, snack, and smooch without worrying about touch-ups. It stays put, without smudging or feathering, giving you the confidence to face the world, one pout at a time. But that's not all. Matte lipsticks are the go-to choice for creating a bold, dramatic look. Their intense color payoff is something to behold, delivering a statement that is hard to ignore. And let's not forget, they're often preferred in professional or formal settings, adding a touch of sophistication and seriousness to your look. Matte lipstick certainly has its place in every makeup kit, but what about satin lipstick? Stay tuned to find out. Shifting gears, let's talk about the allure of satin lipstick. Satin lipstick offers a multitude of benefits that are hard to overlook. It's hydrating, keeping your lips comfortable and moisturized throughout the day. But what sets satin lipstick apart is its natural, understated sheen. It adds just the right amount of shine to your lips, making it perfect for casual or everyday wear. It's the ideal choice for those who want a touch of glamour without going overboard. Satin lipstick adds a touch of glamour to any look, but how do these two compare side by side? In the battle of matte versus satin, which one comes out on top? Both have their strengths. Matte lipstick's durability and vivid color make it a knockout for long-lasting wear. On the other hand, satin's creamy texture and shiny finish give it a sultry appeal, perfect for a night out. Ultimately, the choice between matte and satin comes down to personal preference, the occasion, and comfort. Remember, the perfect pout is all about finding the right balance that suits your style and needs.